everyone, welcome to Chinese lesson with Miss Shirley. I can speak Chinese. We are going to be covering the Halloween today. 万圣节, 万圣节. First, we're going to start with the month of October. 十月, 十月. To review, 十 is for number 10 and 月 is for month. So 十月 is October, the 10th month of the year. And the night is 晚上, 晚上. You cannot have Halloween without pumpkin. So pumpkin is 南瓜, 南瓜. And we call the jack-o'-lantern in Chinese as the pumpkin lantern. So it will be 南瓜灯, 南瓜灯. 南瓜 means pumpkin and 灯 means light or lantern. 南瓜灯. And candy corns is 玉米糖, 玉米糖. Corn is 玉米, 糖 is candy. So candy corns, 玉米糖. The general term for candy is 糖果, 糖果. Be careful with the tones. 糖 goes upward. 糖, 果 is the boomerang. 果, 糖果. And with the same combination of vowel and consonants, we have 汤锅 with an upward sound, the first tone, 汤锅, and that means the cauldron. Costume is 戏服, 戏服. The mask is 面具, 面具. Broomstick is 扫把, 扫把. Witch is 巫婆, 巫婆. And the witch's hat is 巫婆帽, 巫婆帽. Mao means the hat, so the witch's hat is 巫婆帽. And the wizard is 巫师, 巫师. If you're into Harry Potter, then you'll know about the sorting hat. In China, in simplified Chinese, the sorting hat is translated to be 分院帽, 分院帽. In Taiwan, where they use traditional Chinese, it is translated into 分类帽, 分类帽. The black cat, 黑猫, 黑猫. The bat, 蝙蝠, 蝙蝠. The owl, 猫头鹰, 猫头鹰. The mouse, 老鼠, 老鼠. The spider, 蜘蛛, 蜘蛛. And the word for web or net is 网. So the spider web is 蜘蛛网, 蜘蛛网. The zombie, 僵尸, 僵尸. And the ghost is 鬼, 鬼. The word for house is 屋, so the haunted house is 鬼屋, 鬼屋. The tombstone is 墓碑, 墓碑. That's it. Vocabulary for Halloween, 万圣节. Comment below to let me know if you would like to learn about other topics, and I'll be happy to make a tutorial based on your request. So like this video, subscribe, and get notification for the next episode. Chinese lesson with Miss Shirley. I can speak Chinese. See you next time.